Ah, they are pretty. And this is actually Burchell Starling that we look at quite often, the specific individual. There's a few of them that live around the edges of Buffelshoek Dam here. I guess they've got a good habitat, good resources available, so they're always in very good condition. Woodpeckers, of course, specialize in living in the trees, really. That's where they feed 80-90% of the time. I think this is the first time in, I can't remember when last I saw a woodpecker on the ground like that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that little red hood as well. Of course, that very long beak, relatively long beak, I guess, not very long. But again, typically speaking, they'll be breaking open little holes and cavities in old dead tree trunks. Now, what's also quite amazing is that they have these long tongues. Basically, imagine a rubber spear almost. Just a very pliable one. So that once they have broken open the little hole, then they can get in there. They stick the tongue all the way down the hole. Also being able to get a close look there. It is a golden-tailed woodpecker. Quite similar looking. That and the Bennett's probably the most similar. And if you look carefully, he's got, even though it's a bit darker, but he's got a bit of red, that sort of throat marking as well, below the bill going down to the neck. Not only is the golden-tailed woodpecker, but it's a male. And we're going to have to keep a lookout for him in future. It's quite rare to have one that's this relaxed. Once again, might take a while to get all the bits and pieces off it. Essentially, the sort of crunchier parts of the legs and the wings off, and then it will attempt to swallow it as one. That could be quite an interesting thing. Oi! No, buddy, you're not going to make that one. Serious. I'm just glad we don't have to eat like that. Teeth certainly are very handy when it comes to chewing your food. As before. You can do it. Well done. Amazing. I honestly didn't think it was going to manage that.
They're really more aggressive. Anything come close by, wherever they make a nest, they will push it away. And it's amazing, it's only one female that will be breeding at the time. The rest will be beautiful. Color, white Helmet-Shrike. It's very confusing sometimes. We got a white-crowned shrike and white Helmet-Shrike, which is really into the area. Sometimes you tend to see people mix them. These are the white. You can see the bug is eating that. Oh, this is a kill here. Amazing. How quick it is, it's very, very quick. Only the back cover is a little bit hard. It's only the inside, which is not much inside. Okay, that's Oriole. Stopping here, unfortunately we spot these guys. It was a red-billed Helmet-Shrike which flying away. And we were able to spot this beautiful species of black-headed Oriole. It's more golden color, black-headed. It's very beautiful. And common species, seldom check on the camera or doesn't stay. Get it spotted, to flow away. Look like they're not hanging on top of the water, and really, yeah, after it. Most of the time you find these species in the big lakes, rivers, or a dam itself. But commonly you find them on the dams. The rivers are a lot more seldom to see. Amazing. Look at that. It's a good swimmer underneath. Normally the book size takes up to 20 centimeters underneath the water, which is very good swimmer, as I mentioned earlier on. Korhaan, the red-crested Korhaan. If he's doing that mating display, you can see at the back he's got a flat sort of head, coming more red. It's beautiful looking. It's displaying or calling the mating. Look at that. It's amazing. Entertaining. You can see the, oh come on boy. Come dude. This is the right time for all these species to perform. Like he's coming towards the vehicle. It could be the fans that are going here inside the vehicle, make it more concentrating, coming slowly towards us. It's coming. Getting close. We still see. Look at that. Look at the neck movement. He's not sure what's going on yet. Just put the vehicle right into the road. Wants to be off into the bush. The blackberry Korhaan is how it actually calls, make the calls for mating display. The aggressiveness of showing the back neck, it will be more fluffy. Up to the head is more reddish. It's beautiful to watch. Red-crested Korhaan. Look like we're having interference.